Ever pondered the secret to crafting the ultimate shrimp and pasta dish? Well, the mystery ends today as we delve into a step-by-step guide to creating this culinary masterpiece. Imagine a medley of succulent shrimp, perfectly al dente pasta, and a garlicky, tangy sauce that ties it all together. Sounds heavenly, right? Hold on to that thought as we unravel the process. Start by gathering the ingredients. You'll need about a pound of fresh deveined shrimp, a box of your favorite pasta, 6 cloves of garlic, a cup of dry white wine, 2 tablespoons of butter, a handful of fresh parsley, the juice of 1 lemon, and salt and pepper to taste. Begin by setting a large pot of salted water to boil. This is where your pasta will cook to perfection. Once boiling, add the pasta and stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking. While the pasta is doing its thing, heat a large skillet over medium heat. Melt the butter and sauté your finely chopped garlic until it's fragrant, but be careful not to burn it. With the aroma of garlic wafting through your kitchen, add the shrimp to the skillet. Season it with salt and pepper and cook until the shrimp turns a delightful pink. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Next, pour in the wine and squeeze in the lemon juice. Let it simmer until the liquid reduces by half. This infuses the shrimp with a burst of flavor that's both tangy and savory. By now, your pasta should be perfectly al dente. Drain it, but remember to save a cup of the pasta water. This starchy liquid is the secret to a silky and well-emulsified sauce. Add the drained pasta to the skillet with the shrimp. Toss it all together, letting the pasta soak up all the glorious flavors. If the dish seems too dry, add a little pasta water. Finally, sprinkle in the chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. And there you have it. A plate of perfectly cooked pasta, succulently seasoned shrimp, all tied together with a tangy, garlicky sauce. It's a symphony of flavors that's sure to impress at any dinner table. To recap, start by boiling your pasta. While it cooks, sauté garlic in butter, add and cook the shrimp, then pour in the wine and lemon juice. Toss the drained pasta in the skillet with the shrimp and sauce, adding pasta water if needed. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. This dish is a testament to the beauty of simplicity. It's proof that with quality ingredients and a bit of technique, you can create a meal that's more than the sum of its parts. So the next time you're craving something comforting yet sophisticated, remember this shrimp and pasta recipe. It's a dish that satisfies on all levels, tantalizing the taste buds and warming the soul. Now go forth and create culinary magic.